Let's talk about formatting your paper in Chicago or Turabian style. Start by setting 1-inch margins, which is the default in Microsoft Word, and choose a single readable font. I'm going with Aptos. You'll want to set your document to double-spaced on the Paragraph tab. There are going to be a couple of exceptions, including block quotations, your bibliography, and footnotes, but it's better to start with double as your default and change those later. You're going to start with the title page. About a third of the way down the page, write your title in bold font. Then, about a third of the way from the bottom, write your name, the name of the class, and the date the assignment is due. Then you'll insert page numbers. You want your page number to start on page 1 and not count your title page. To do that, click Insert, Page Number. Choose the version that has the page number on the top right of the page. Then, under Page Number, select Format Page Number. Edit the page numbering to start at 0. Select Different First Page to remove the page number from your title page. A paper cited in Chicago style should have two main elements: a series of footnotes or endnotes identifying the in-text citations, and a bibliography containing all the works cited in the entire document. Some professors won't require a bibliography at the end of your paper and will instead ask that you fully cite all your sources and footnotes. For our purposes, though, I'm going to show you how to format both footnotes and a bibliography. To insert an in-text citation in a Word document, click References, Insert Footnote. Your footnotes will update their numbers automatically, so you don't have to mess with superscripts or remember what source is which number. Let Word do that for you. Finally, your bibliography will go on the final page of your paper. Write the word bibliography at the top in bold. All the sources you cite should be in alphabetical order. You'll need to change your paragraph style to the following: single-spaced, with a 12-point space after each entry and a hanging indent. That's when the first line is all the way to the left and the subsequent lines of each citation are indented. Work smarter, not harder. After your first paper using Chicago style, create a template you can use for all your future Chicago papers. You can start from scratch using what you've just learned, or you can download and edit our template.